Hi, today let's make easy coconut prawn curry, for which in a kadai you need to add in oil, mustard seeds, curry leaves and dry red chilies. Mix it really very well till the aroma is infused in the oil. Now I've added in onion paste. Now give it a good mix, saute it really very well till the raw smell goes and the onion paste color turns slightly brown. That is what we are wanting to achieve it here, because this gives a beautiful taste to our prawn curry. Now I've added in ginger garlic paste. Again saute it really very well till the raw smell goes. Next, what I'm doing is I'm adding in chopped tomatoes. Give it a good mix. The tomatoes need to be cooked really very well, for which what I'm doing is adding in hot water at this stage and combine all these ingredients, bring it all together, give it a good mix and cover it with the lid for another 2 to 3 minutes till the gravy thickens and the tomatoes turns mushy. So the water is boiling. At this stage I'm adding in some turmeric powder, cumin powder, pepper powder, and then give it a good mix. Add in some salt as well, and then let's again cover with the lid for another 2 to 3 minutes till the gravy thickens and the flavors are infused in the gravy. Now this is the consistency which I'm wanting. At this stage I'm adding in clean, washed and deveined prawns. Always devein your prawns, it's very good, otherwise it's not good for your tummy. Next I'm adding in some fresh coconut milk in prawn curry gives a great flavor. Now I've added in slit green chilies along with some salt. Give it a good mix, cover it with the lid for another 2 to 3 minutes, and that's it. At this stage check for the salt. This is the kind of boil we need. Prawn doesn't take a long time to cook, depending on the size of the prawns. If they are medium size, it just takes 2 to 3 minutes. That's it. Finally garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves, and just like that your simple easy coconut prawn curry is ready to serve. You can serve it with some hot rice, and please note the measurement and the ingredients are on the screen. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy.